How to pronounce Ogham letters with Lora O'Brien at the Ogham Academy. Welcome to our video on Ogham pronunciation, where we unravel the mysteries of how to pronounce the letters of this fascinating ancient Irish script. Ogham, an early Irish alphabet dating back at least to the 4th century, is known for its distinctive linear symbols, letters which are called feda in Irish, carved on stones and wood. Understanding how to pronounce these ancient characters can be a rewarding and enriching experience, allowing us to delve deeper into the roots of the Irish language and, in context, the wider Irish or Celtic culture. In this comprehensive guide taught by the Ogham Academy, and we are based here in County Waterford in Ireland, we'll demystify Ogham pronunciation, step by step and letter by letter, ensuring you can confidently pronounce each symbol with precision. So, whether you're a language enthusiast, a history buff, or simply curious about this unique script, we've got you covered. And it's tuned to a modern Irish format by somebody who actually speaks the language. We can embark on this linguistic adventure together and discover the beauty and elegance of Ogham pronunciation. Now, let's get started. We begin with the first acma or group of letters. So the Ogham is grouped in 4 sets of 5 letters. And we begin with B, be. That's B, be. Next, L, lus. That's L, lus. F, fern. That's F, fern. S, sal. That's S, sal. N, nyan. That's N, nyan. Beginning the next acma or group, so this is the second acma, H, hua. That's H, hua. D, dar. That's D, dar. T, tina. That's T, tina. C, call. That's C, call. Q, curt. That's Q, curt. Beginning the third acma, M, muin. That's M, muin. G, gurt. That's G, gurt. This one is sometimes difficult for people to pronounce. It's an N and a G together. So NG, nieto. That's NG, nieto. ST, or sometimes Z, that's straf. ST, straf. Or, rish, that's or, rish. And the final acma or grouping begins with A, alum. That's A, Ogham. O, on. That's O, on. U, ur. That's U, ur. E, edad. That's E, edad. And finally, I, idad. That's I, idad. If you would like to download a quick and easy reference guide, you can go to ogham.academy/guide. That is ogham.academy/guide. Or just go to ogham.academy and you will see the link to get your guide. And that is a free downloadable, which has a little bit of the history of the Ogham and some context. And then it has printable sheets with the first, second, third, and fourth ACMA laid out. And there's even space to write the pronunciation out phonetically if you'd like. And there's a small little, just 2-word kenning beside each one, which also gives a divinatory meaning, potential divinatory meaning to that. So thank you very much for your attention, and slán go fóill.